Fun fact, a flight from Doha to Bali had to make an emergency landing in India after a woman used her sleeping husband's thumb to unlock his phone and all hell broke loose. The Iranian family, which included the wife, husband, and their young child, boarded the flight in 2017 on their way to vacation in Bali. After the flight took off, the husband fell asleep and the wife, who'd been drinking, used his thumb to unlock his phone. She then went through his phone where she discovered he'd been cheating. Furious, she began fighting with her husband, and the flight crew tried to calm the situation, but it quickly got out of hand. The pilots then made the decision to make an emergency landing in Chennai, India. Once the plane landed, the family was escorted off the plane by security, and then the plane carried on to Bali. Once the woman sobered up, the family got on another flight to Kuala Lumpur, and then went back to Doha.